Hey guys, welcome back. Been working quite a bit on the motorcycle, so I thought I'd get these Dontex. I think I might have got this on eBay. It could have been Amazon. I don't remember. I'll put a link to it below in the description. Basically, these front and rear wheel lifts. So I can, this winter, when I'm gonna do a lot of work to it, I can set it up. I'm probably gonna have to change my front tire at some point, so I'll need to get it off the ground, do all that. So anyway, I'm gonna throw this together real quick. It's not too complicated. Don't think I'll do a video of it going together, but then just kind of check it out afterwards and let you know how it works. And as you can see, here's the direction, super simple. This curved piece right here goes into these pieces right here, and then these ends go on there, and you just kind of tighten it down. Now you do add some wheels to it. Those are still in the box over here, but we'll get to that in a few minutes. Yeah, it looks pretty simple put together. No sense recording that part, so I'll throw it together and we'll see. All right, guys, got it together. Just kind of shoved together. Right now there's no hardware in it. I guess these are universal. You can flip these back and forth, so you can have it on the inside if you want. Outside if you're doing something else. I'm not really sure what, but mine, the tire would kind of sit in here, or the fork or whatever, so mine will probably be on the inside. Look on the box, that's exactly the way they have them. So this is the front one. We're gonna head and finish this, and then we'll go in and we'll do the rear. By the way, if you haven't seen the pressure washer video, that thing is killing it. Man, I gotta clean that up. We've been cleaning the fence and it looks amazing. And here's the alternative mounts. This could go right into the sides of your wheels, kind of the axles that hold them on, maybe to hold them up. This could probably go on the ends of your forks if you have your tire off, maybe. I'm not sure how that would work. And then, of course, we showed you these already. And these are the hardware bags here and here. That's so we can get our wheels on and such, and we're going to do that next. Hey guys, I'm starting to put the hardware on. I got this one in, and this one doesn't move just fine. But this one over here, something interesting I ran into. I can't tighten that down anymore. And as you can see in there, it's not going through. So it's not going to stop that movement. So I think I'm gonna have to get a file in there or something and file that out a little bit. That just wasn't very well cut at the factory. That's kind of the stuff we run into when we get these cheap imported things. But easy fix, we'll get to it. Okay guys, they are all together. This one is supposedly for the front wheel. It's a little narrower. This one's for the back. I'm not sure which ones of these goes on which. I'll have to research that a little bit. I'm new to this one. So never had a set of these before. So hey, if you know, leave me a comment. Maybe this hits the back like, oh shoot, I'm trying to think of what it's called. By the back wheel that lifts it up, the frame extender piece, whatever they call that. You know, it'll come to me eventually when I get done recording. But all it took was a 13 and 14 millimeter wrench. I just had to tighten those up right in here, and that's about it. And yeah, and that I had to file that out. I just used my little needle file, whatever you call those, just to file out a little bit and then crank it down with a set of pliers, and it locks in now. So just I think what they did is they just welded the nut a little bit off center from the hole. So that's all there is to it. Anyway, guys, we'll put these to use soon, and we'll see you next time.